Legends, similar to a legend on a map, gives you the quick visualization of what takeoffs are on the drawing. Presented in a table style, the markup legend is a specialized markup with dynamic properties. The markup legend shows a symbol representing your measurement markup with corresponding text description. The information included in the legend is also customizable, such as viewing additional measurements and quantity columns and providing a high-level summary of takeoff quantities. When working on a drawing with takeoffs already completed, activate the Select tool and drag the rectangle over the markup to select it. You could also right-click and drag, or use the Select All command to select them. Then right-click on any markup, select Legends from the context menu, and click New, Legend. A preview of the legend appears in the crosshairs of the mouse. Click on any area of the drawing to place it down. The total of the areas is calculated as 1. Select a corner of the legend and drag the control points out to expand the size of the legend. Another way to create a legend is to use the tool set directly. Let's say some electrical takeoffs are needed. Open up the electrical tool set. Click the Properties cogwheel mouse of the legend, and then click Create New Legend. The title and headers will appear on the mouse crosshairs when you click on the page to add it. You can take some lighting fixture counts and legend updates in real time since it will recognize any item from that tool set. Another great thing is that multiple tools can be added to one legend. Open the mechanical tool set and access the legend command. Instead of clicking the new, notice the previous legend you made is there. Select that legend. It automatically names the legend electrical after the toolset initially created from it, but the title can be changed from the properties panel. Like with other markups, you can customize the properties of the legend in the property toolbar when it's selected. From the markup type dropdown, you can change the subject of the legend and then select the source, choosing which pages and layers the legend pulls from. You can change the legend heading in the title dropdown. In the column, the dropdown subject is the default setting for description. Click on the Edit column to add or remove columns on your legend. From here, add or remove the check mark next to the column to show or hide in the legend, remove description, and then add a label. Use the arrows to move it up directly above the description. For clarity, you'll use the label as it provides more detail. Click OK. Once settled on the information to include, click bold to make the column name stand out. Then change the line color to black and the field color to 20% gray. Change the field capacity to 90 and then up the line with the 1. Under the Table Setting drop-down menu, notice the different options. Select Horizontal. A critical point about legends is that they are always associated with the specific markup used to create them. Adding a new measurement, even another area markup, will not update the legend because the tool is not associated with the legend. However, if you use the area measurement included in the tools, like copying a markup to an identical room, the legend does update. With a fully customized legend, right-click it and add it to a tool chest, just like any other markup. Why do this? If using the same tool sets on multiple pages, drag the legend onto a new page with measurements, and it will update in real time to reflect the measurements on the new page. You can copy and paste the legend to a snapshot and paste it into another page. This will make the legend static, and the snapshot will not dynamically update, but it's good if you just need a visual representation of the completed legend pasted elsewhere. Legends are converted to a snapshot if they're on a document added to a studio session. Legends converted to a snapshot are converted back to a legend when the session is finalized, allowing the legend to become alive again and update itself to reflect any changes in the session. Legends cannot be added to a document already in the studio session.